Welcome to another exciting episode of our gardening series. Today we're thrilled to introduce you to a unique and visually striking tomato variety, the green zebra tomato. Join us as we delve into the history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and various uses. The green zebra tomato is a fascinating heirloom variety that was developed by Tom Wagner in the 1980s. Its distinctive green and yellow striped skin sets it apart from other tomato varieties. The green zebra tomato is known for its tangy flavor and crunchy texture. It has a slightly tart taste that is balanced by its sweetness, making it a delightfully refreshing addition to salads and sandwiches. Growing green zebra tomatoes requires specific conditions. They thrive in full sun and need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Well-drained soil enriched with organic matter is ideal for their growth. Pruning green zebra tomato plants can help promote better air circulation and reduce the risk of diseases. It's important to remove any suckers that emerge from the leaf axils to direct the plant's energy towards fruit production. Companion planting with green zebra tomatoes can enhance their growth and protect them from pests. Consider planting them alongside herbs like basils and marigolds, which can repel harmful insects and attract beneficial pollinators. The uses for green zebra tomatoes are incredibly versatile. They are excellent for fresh eating, adding a vibrant and tangy twist to your salads or sandwiches. They also make fantastic salsas and can be roasted for a unique flavor profile. And that wraps up our exploration of the green zebra tomato. Its striking appearance and delightful taste make it a must-have in any tomato lover's garden, so why not consider growing your own green zebra tomatoes and enjoy the excitement of harvesting and savoring these beautiful and delicious fruits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant content. Happy gardening!